Okay, we are recording. Hello and welcome to another Orion Tech Tips video. So I'll flip it over so you guys can see. We are checking out the Orcam Read. So pretty much this is a piece of technology that is pretty much pretty much just like a reading camera, or like it reads words to you. So we're just going to unbox this. This is just going to be the unboxing and review. So I haven't seen this before. All I know is it's $3,000 and that's it's super expensive, and it reads stuff to you. So we are enjoy reading. So pretty much this is just if you want to read a so let's say if you're in grade 10 or in grade 8, whatever, if you want to read a book, if you're curious about a book but it's above your reading zone, you can't read it, above your reading skill, then of course this would come in handy. Of course, other stuff like audible.com, which is a lot cheaper, would also come in handy. So yeah, $3,000. I can't stress that enough for this. So we're greeted by enjoy reading. What is this? What are we greeted with? Some paperwork. So we have like some guides. I might actually have to use this because I really don't know. This has like a ton of features. So this is the device itself. Of course, the Orcam Read, if I'm pronouncing that right. I hope I am. Orcam Read. Of course, there's the camera. We have USB Type-C power switch, volume up, volume down. I don't know what this is. Another power switch? I don't know. Let's just lift this up. Put it to the side. Oh, we have some more boxes. Okay, so yeah, this does charge with USB-C. Okay, this is, it's like a neck. Oh, there's some gel to keep out the moisture. Oh, like a neck strap, so if you want to like carry the Orcam reader on your neck. I mean, yeah, that's good. Another thing that I'd imagine that this might be useful is if you're trying to, I don't know if it can actually do this, but if you're in another country and you want to transfer a language, if there's like a sign, you just, boom, click this and it should read the sign to you. I hope that's the case. Okay, anyway, we are greeted with some earbuds. We'll have to test these out. And then it even has the logo, that is cool. USB Type-C. So yeah, for $3,000, I want USB Type. Oh, and we have a fast. Oh no, it's not a. Okay. For $3,000, I get a. How many watts is this? It doesn't say. Input 24 volts. So it's not using the full 120 volts of like a wall socket. 50 to 60 hertz. How many? Okay, I'm guessing that this thing is I would say maybe really more than 5. It's not like as slow as like a standard stock iPhone charger. Probably like 10 watts, which I would be hoping for. I mean, if it could ship with like a 40 watt USB Type-C brick, that would be good, but come on, 10 watts for $3,000? Okay, oh, and we also get a microfiber cloth, or can read. I mean, yeah, the packaging is decent. It actually comes with a good variety of stuff. Okay, let's just throw all of this to the side here. We don't need this, don't need that, don't need the boxes. Okay, anyway, now we have the Orcam Read itself. How do I turn it on? Is it just this? Battery is 38% charged. Can you guys hear that? Oh my god. Alright, alright. If I have, of course, the Hobbit book, as you can see here. It's the first edition. So, of course, this is, I don't know what grade level this is. I imagine, like, of course, this is not for adults. Obviously, this is not for adults. This is for children that want to read books that they can't. That's literally the only point of this. It's not for adults at all. Okay. Let's scan a page. What's the button that I press? Oh, no, wait, no, that's the power off button.
There was still something not entirely Hobbit-like about that, and the chance never arrived.
Okay, so this is max volume, guys.
There may be more text below. Volume up. Volume up. Volume max. Volume max.
Oh, volume max, okay. Try.
When Thornokenchild and his band of dwarves embark upon a dangerous quest to reclaim the hoard of gold stolen from the buddy.
Let's test out these earbuds.
Gandalf the wizard suggests an unlikely accomplice. Bilbo, an unassuming hobbit dwelling in peaceful Hobbit along the and worse. Brit-IS rules goblins, giant spiders. S-Avanti Bilbo will find that there is the terrors of Am. He wanders a ribbon delta more to him than the expected qualities of the Demetri. Unexpelled Bilbo toward a
Alright, let's test out the fruit.
a destiny that waits
So pretty much this is...
the misty mountains.
They don't feel...
What
the heck?
Look at
Oh, you have to like peel. Oh, that does not seem quality. I can literally just rip this thing apart. Like, look at this. You can just tear and tear and tear. Okay, anyway. Alright. Let's just put both of these in. Plug it in. Alright. Oh no, cannot. Alright. So yeah, the audio sounds clear. I don't really have any complaints. But you know, let's pull up some music. What's like a bass heavy song? Rick Fair drop. Alright.
Magic ring. Continuation is unreadable. Suspending. Press again to shut down.
Alright. Let's...
Suspended.
I just forgot. I haven't used headphones with my phone I don't think I've ever used like wired headphones with my phone, but yeah, I forgot, no headphone jack. I usually just use AirPods, or of course, let you know, I usually don't use AirPods. I usually use my Sony XB900Ns, which are of course wireless. Okay, just see. Ooh, I'm kind of disappointed with the earbuds. Okay. The base is like gone. It's like I have to use like this headphone adapter. I can't just plug in the headphones. Yeah, that's the problem with the iPhones. Okay, yeah, oh boy. Yeah, there's like no bass. I can't really hear the low pitch, the high pitch. Oh boy. What more can I say? Okay, anyway, but of course, the $3,000 for this thing. The Orcam Read. So, okay, is there anything else that I can review? I mean, let's read the microfiber cloth. Let's see, how well does it clean my watch? For us, you know, we'll compare it. This, the Orcam Reads microfiber cloth, to my current microfiber cloth. Yeah, so of course, the Orcam Read, it's lighter, for sure. Definitely, this is like a thicker and heavier material. This is like the one that I use like on a daily basis, the Orcam Read. But we can like test that out with like actually I have my reading glasses on at the moment, so we can actually, there's really not much like dirt on, well actually there's nothing on it, it's completely clean, but when I'm cleaning my readers, yeah, it seems fine, yeah. And then when I use my typical, well, my usual one, it just feels like it's heavier, better fabric. It just feels like better quality. Yeah. But yeah, of course you're not you're not paying for $3,000 for the earbud. I was just curious about the earbuds because I would think like maybe they'd like throw in some like fancy earbuds. Of course, there's also like a neck strap if you want to take your Orcam Read with you. USB Type C. I mean, there's a headphone jack. There's no Bluetooth on this thing. It's
Waking up. Battery is 37% charged.
that's kind of cool. So I mean, pretty much I can like scan my watch. Okay, what if I like scan like my computer screen? No? Alright. Well, it's just like, let's just like some random page in the Hobbit book.
Messengers had found it was already on the move, although it then only the third day after the fall of Smaug, the Elven King had received
That's
from
nice.
his own messengers and from the birds that loved his folk, and already knew much of what had happened. Very great
Alright, let's just turn that on.
suspending. Press again to shut down.
Okay, so pretty much that was the unboxing interview
Suspended.
of. Let's just power it off.
Waking up.
No, power off.
Battery is
Oh my god.
36% charged. Suspending. Press again to shut down. Shutting down.
Okay.
Please wait.
Thank you. Okay, so again, review Orcam Read. $3,000.
Power off.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Orcam Read. See you later. Probably won't. 3,000. Okay. I will just be quiet. So yeah, pretty much, of course, I do enjoy. I read most of like the books that I read are, of course, university level books, and I am not a high IQ. I don't have enough brain cells to read the words in a university book. So of course that's why I use Audible. Audible, like, I like it better because like there's voice acting, and of course you have to like pay each book. But this thing, you'd have to like scan every single page, which it's not like the end of the world, but like it just sounds like such like an artificial voice. That's the other thing, is like the voice. Like I feel like that there's so many artificial voices that like you get fooled that like they're actually a real person. So anyway, Orcam Read, do I recommend? For the value wise, I'd say no, but if you are looking for just like a cool gadget to have around your house, then yeah, this thing is pretty cool. Or let's just say like you run into like a random word and you really don't know what it says, you pull this thing out of your bag, just scan it, and voila, done. So I have this thing. It's cool. I will admit, the cool factor, it is a really cool machine, or it's a really cool piece of technology. But again, early development, and you are paying that premium price. So I mean, if you need it, if you really need it, then yeah, I mean, I like it. I think it's pretty cool. But would I recommend it to anyone? Depends. Honestly, my final review, I'd give this, I'd say a 7 out of 10, which is good. Be a 10 out of 10 if this was a better price. And of course, even if this price was cut in half at $1,500, I'd still be hesitant to recommend it. I would say like a few $100 for this thing. I'd highly recommend it, but $3,000 just seems kind of crazy to me. But anyway, let me know your opinion down in the comment section down below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, comment if you have an idea for a future video. And until next time, I am out. Peace. Peace out.